Welcome to Nnewi City in Anambra.
This is Nnewi. It is the second largest city in Anambra in southeastern Nigeria. Nnewi is referred to as the Japan of Africa as it is the home to many indigenous manufacturing industries including Ibeto group of companies, Cutix and ADswitch, URU Industrious Limited, Omata Holdings Limited, Cento group of companies, Coscharis of Companies Group, Innoson Group of Companies, Ebunso Nigerian Limited, John White Industries, Ejiamatu Group of Companies, Chicason Group, Louis Carter Group, etc. The great majority of industrialists in the cluster of spare parts factory in Nnewi are also traders, and most of these traders are producing one or more of the products. Nnewi residents have controlled approximately 80 to 90% of the motor parts trade in Nigeria. The Nnewi market is the major import and wholesale point of the motor spare parts in Nigeria. The first indigenous car manufacturing plant is located in the city, which is owned by Innoson Group, and the first fully made in Nigeria motorcycle was produced in Nnewi by the National Agency of Science and Engineering Infrastructure. These industrialists are adapting foreign technology to local needs, creating thousands of jobs and making available goods and services that meet the actual needs of the Nigerian citizen. The first Igbo man to own and operate a car was His Royal Highness Igwe Orizu I in 1912. By 1940, Nnewi residents were at the center of an international trading network that dominated the supply of motor parts in Nigeria. As a result, the town became a center of commerce and industry. It now has one of the largest automotive parts markets in Africa.
Yeah?
Yeah, motor parts.
Okay, motor parts. Okay.
Okay.
Bike here will be cheaper. Like cheaper than any other state.
Not like that, though. Some of them are even expensive.
Yeah, expensive.
Yeah?
Yeah, expensive.
Bike now is about 600, 800,000.
Like this small one.
350. Okay, 350. Like this over. I buy that machine. Yeah. Place is nice to fly through. Huh?
Why?
This place is nice to fly through. Huh?
Here in our church, cathedral.
Feel like saying one of the biggest churches.
Cathedral now.
Authority levy. Wetin they do there?